In this tutorial you will learn how to paint dreamy pink watercolor tree using wet on wet technique. My name is Lidia and I invite you for painting adventure. Let's paint something together. So here I have my watercolor paper, Hannemüller, the raw one, my Schminke watercolors, and all my watercolor supplies. So let's start. Let's make a fantasy tree. So I need my palettes. I have some small ones and big ones. And then I will pick some brushes. This is salt. Sometimes I use it for watercolor. So I chose these brushes. Let's start the experiments. The first thing I will do is to water the surface a little bit to make it nice and moist. Yeah. And then I will use watercolor in the wet on wet technique. So I would like to have some soft pink colors. So I need to take a pink and make it quite light color out of it. And then paint the parts, the first parts of the tree. I think I can put some more water even. Wow, everything is swimming. So some light pink here and there. There. Yeah. Slowly getting the shape which I want to have. Then I will use same pink but with more pigments. You can see what is happening on the surface. Look. See? And it's moving. I love to put some paint and then allow it to walk somewhere where it wants to go. So cool. Boom, boom, boom. I love it. Okay. I will continue with some next colors and next layers. I can also make some drippings on the wet surface. So cool. Look. Bam. There it is. There it is, my painting of chaos. Looks kind of abstract and chaotic right now. The paint is still very wet and it's moving. See how it's shining? The colors are mixing. Looks so cool. Some places have definitely too much water. So I will grab some tissue and take it a little bit off. Like here, there. Okay, and to not be so hard, I will put some water here again. Wow, mixing colors. They are so beautiful. So now I need to wait until it's dry. Now the painting is dry. Look at those magnificent shapes and colors which are here. The paint dries really beautifully. I'm always amazed about the colors and the shapes. So I don't know if you can see it here. I can see here already my tree and these fluffy leaves. So now I will make the trunk of the tree and the branches. Start with the trunk of the tree. I decided to go with the violet because I think it fits quite well to the idea which I have of this painting. And I will mix it with the little blue. Then I thought I will add some violets for more depth in the structure of the tree. So I'm adding very carefully here, and maybe there it looks like the place which needed here a little bit. Yeah, and then I'm taking here water to smooth it like this. Yeah. I'm painting only with water now, and the pigments are moving by themselves. See, when I move it this direction, they go away. Funny. I love it. Yeah. Okay. The tree looks quite nice now. I will make some floor. I think the pink floor will fit this fantasy very well. Here is the finished painting of the fantasy tree. I hope you had much fun with this tutorial. Share your painting adventure in the comments below. Put the thumbs up and subscribe to motivate me to make more tutorials like this.